know for a vehicle to cover 1 kilometer at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour at 2000 RPM? It requires 1000 combustions inside the cylinder. Imagine its speed to run at 60 km per hour. Combustion should take place at least 16 times in 1 second. Let's suppose 1 microgram is formed during 1 combustion, then 1 kilometer equals 0.00096 grams of carbon. Then 30,000 kilometers is equals to 28.8 grams of carbon. Certain parts of this carbon will move down to your crankcase and mix with your oil, thus leaving your oil carbon black. HHO remove the carbon deposits and reduce the pressure in the power stroke. This will improve your fuel efficiency and performance of your engine. Carbon cleaning of engine with hydrogen. How does our Nile Decarbonizer carbon clean work? Our machine produces hydrogen which burns at higher temperature and explosive force, such that it cleans the soot, carbon that is accumulated in the engine and exhaust system. When driving, your engine will operate at high temperatures, so for optimal effectiveness, we have created a way to achieve the same effect, while simply running on idle. The hydrogen burns at a high temperature so the engine will reach the optimal temperature at idle. During this process the hydrogen is stripping the carbon from the surfaces of the engine and its various parts. After our service, your engine will be more responsive, lower emissions, better fuel efficiency, smoother performance, restores lost power and lost torque. It can also help to clean turbos, injectors, pistons, EGR, catalytic converter, DPF, and increase the life of engine and reduce repair costs. Post Nile Decarbonizer HHO cleaning. For best results, we also recommend that you take a 25 to 30 minute drive above 2000 RPM on low gear to remove any residual in the exhaust. As a preventative measure with normal vehicle servicing, we recommend our HHO carbon clean every 7 months or after every 15,000 kilometers to maintain engine efficiency and increase engine life. Visit us at www.niledecarbonizer.com of WhatsApp on 0759252534 or 0772956055. Your one-time solutions for saving on fuel and repair costs.